Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Nissan and Infiniti keyless entry. Okay, this is not a key fob, this is a keyless entry remote used for models mostly between 2002 and 2012, give or take. Infiniti EX35, FX35, Q45 and more, Nissan Sentra, Maxima, Altima and more. The battery you will need is a CR2025 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Let's get started. This is a brand new one. I only opened it once. I bought it for the video. So what you do, as you can see right here, we have to create a gap, okay? So we can insert the screwdriver and open the keyless entry. So I just insert and I pull up a little bit, okay? And I turn clockwise. As you can see, there is a small gap right here. Okay, now I will do it again. Very gently. Not to damage the keyless entry. And as you can see, gently I can open it, and there we go. Okay, this is the cheap stuff, no need to touch. Right here I simply insert the screwdriver under the battery. Okay, make sure that this one doesn't move. As I said, battery CL2025, face down. This is a good battery, so I will use it again. We put it back in place and I press. Close the keyless entry, and that's it. We're all good. You can program it yourself. You can check our website for programming instructions. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.